How can manufacturers keep regular customers happy with on-time delivery when product supply is limited and new customers and distribution channels are increasing overall demand? The answer is to have an intelligent ERP on your side. Keep strategic customers satisfied by setting aside current and future inventory and allocate production on a regular schedule. Sales can continuously check product availability, validating across inventory, planned production, incoming orders, and production allocated to customers. Combined with visibility of first availability and requested delivery dates, sales can confidently promise when orders will be fulfilled. Teams can drill down into embedded analytics and use in-context collaboration to remedy any fulfillment issues quickly. When orders are released for delivery, teams can see real-time inventory in locations and impact across customer orders. Check the priority of each order, required quantities, and required material availability. Be empowered to make difficult fulfillment decisions wisely, satisfy strategic customers, and ensure all customers receive their fair share. Balancing customer demand with limited supply has never been easier. Make difficult decisions wisely, keep order promises, and be the supplier who delivers perfect on-time orders every time.